guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to just a quick video here. As you can see, this is my 2020 Honda Grom. When I was looking at doing upgrades for this thing, I was determining what kind of handlebars I wanted to do. I decided to go with the these are the ProTaper Honda Minis. You could kind of see it right down here. I think these feel a little bit better than the KLX-110 bars or the DRZ bars. I couldn't find any like real, take the key out here, any real like size reference to them. At least kind of like a side by side shot with them. So here's just kind of a comparison as to the both. They both are more or less kind of the same. As you can see, the KLX-110 bars just sit a bit higher and they're a little bit wider, as you can kind of see it on this side. I decided to go with the Honda Minis just because it seems to fit the bike just a little more proportionate, and I think it just looks better. But I've seen a lot of reviews online where people have gone with the ProTaper KLX-110 bars or the DRZ 110 bars. So, like I said, just a rather size comparison. Never mind the mirrors; those are going to get changed here. Just to kind of, kind of see what they look like when it comes to size wise. They're almost identical shape wise, but the handlebar length on the DRZ bars are just a little bit longer. And like I said, I just wanted to do a comparison video real quick before I take this back to Amazon, just so if who's ever in the market for aftermarket bars for their Honda Grom can use this video as just kind of a reference of sizing and comfort. Like I said, they sit about the same as the Grom bars do, just a little bit lower, but all in all, it's not a terrible feeling. It actually fits pretty well. So like I said, just you kind of use that as a reference here, and you can kind of just see from the front too here. Like I said, they just kind of stick out just a little bit longer. And like I said, and on that side as well, you can just kind of see. So I'm also going to do just kind of a quick review of these, just my current Grom setup. You can see my Vans waffle grips. I got some new mirrors coming. Those are actually the CRG lane splitter mirrors from my FC07. But yeah, here's my 2020 Grom. Actually, really do enjoy this motorcycle. It's just a lot of fun for what it is. I could appreciate having two motorcycles because they both do different things, but this has been my main bitch for a little bit of time. I've just been enjoying riding it. And so yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Bye.